Sometimes the best way to go forward is to go backward. Most people think fitness is all about moving forward. Forward runs, forward walks, and forward progress. But what if I tell you the real secret to burning fat, improving your knees, maintaining your postures, and boosting your memory is actually moving backward? It might sound funny, but backward walking burns more calories, strengthens your joints, eases your back pain, and sharpens your brain. So stay with me till the end of this video, cause in this video I have broken down the science behind backward walking, how to do it, and the most important, the rumors and myths about backward walking. Backward walking is also called retro walking. It is as simple as ABC. You just need to walk opposite of normal walking. It is already popular in Asia, especially in China and Japan, where people practices this every day in the parks. So you need to consider it as a hidden gem, just like Japanese internal walking. And if you don't know what is Japanese internal walking, then do click the link above that's popping up on your top right of the screen. Now let's talk about the benefits of backward walking. Walking backward fires off muscles that walking forward barely touches. Your quads, calves, glutes, and your hip. Not just this, it also reduces the pressure on your knees. And it is good for your joint health and rehab. And here's the big bonus. Walking backward burns more calories than walking forward. That means 15 minutes of walking backward can burn more calories than 20 minutes of walking forward. And this is perfect for those who are short on time. And here is an interesting fact for you. Your brain loves backward walking. Do you know why? It's because walking backward is unusual. It forces you to focus, which sharpens your memory and coordination. And some studies shows it can increase your power of remembering just by doing a few minutes every day. It is great for corporate employees who are suffering from back pain and unable to maintain their posture. Backward walking stretches your hip and engages your back muscle, and that helps in maintaining that forward-leaning tech posture which we get from using our phone and laptop continuously. Well, if you found this video helpful till now, then do hit the like and subscribe button cause I upload these kinds of video regularly. Now, let's talk about some myth and followed by how to start. You might be thinking walking backward will make you look silly, but don't worry, Olympic athletes and soccer players use it for conditioning. People say it's unsafe, but on a track or a treadmill, it's absolutely safe. On a treadmill, start at 1 mile per hour, but don't forget to hold the rails just because you feel unsafe. And leave it when you start feeling steady. And once you are comfortable, add incline and sprints for agility and strength. Well, backward walking will burn your fat faster if you do this with Japanese internal walking, because Japanese walking supercharges your fat loss and increases your stamina. If you haven't seen that video, the link is on the top right of your screen. Do click the link now and check it out. For a better result, combine these two types of walking and make a deadliest combination to burn your fat faster. And just to kill your confusion, if you have 30 minutes of time, then go for Japanese walking for 20 minutes and 10 minutes for backward walking. Because walking backward is not just a quirky trick. It's a powerful workout that protects your knees and strengthens your muscles. Not just these, it fixes bad postures and sharpens your brain. And above all, it burns more calories in less time. Well, Japanese walking or backward walking will not work if you don't avoid these 10 hidden mistakes which many people do in their weight loss journey. And to know this, click on the video popping up on your screen. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.